time to go ride. So yeah, let's go. Here we go, boys. Black Plastics. Woo. Do a little wheelie. How we doing, boys? So here, let me. So how we doing? You know, I'm back on the bike. I got it fixed. It's Black Plastics and everything. Hold on, I'm gonna have to start back up. All right, but how are we doing? You know, I'm doing good. I want to know about y'all. So, you know, put down in the comments below how y'all are doing. And what do you think of the new bike? Black, it still sounds the same, it's just Black Plastics. So, yeah, what do you guys think about that? Woo! I honestly think it's really good. Here, I'll get some better stuff. I'll get a better view in just a second. Let me get down here. Oh, wait. Slick out here, boys. Okay. Let's see if it won't stay. All right, but like that's what it looks like right there. It's really clean. But so this is the front of it. It's perfect, dude. It's like, it's so beautiful. So apparently we've ordered another one of these, so that may be coming in soon. But the seat is my main thing. Should I get a new seat? I don't know, guys. Put down in the comments what you think, if I should get a new seat. So yeah, let's turn this bad boy around. Woo! That's how you turn a bike around out there. And let's go rip one of my new trails. This is the hardest part right here, getting up it. Shoot. There we go. There we go, boys. Hold on, I gotta take my goggles off. It is so slick out here. A little jump right there. That's just beautiful, guys. Alright. Ah! That's so sketchy right there. So you take a, wait, hold up. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Take a left right here, and then almost immediately, instead of going down there, you just take another left right here. Which is, yeah, it's pretty cool. Me and Gunner probably need to go make a trail that goes straight, because that'd be honestly like pretty cool. Was I supposed to do that? No, I did the same thing like I did coming up. I was just supposed to go down that little ditch right there. That part right there is probably one of the most confusing parts of the whole entire trail. But we still need to get some of the stuff worked out. But you know, really good trail system right here. I did that right there so you wouldn't go down there, so you know to go down here. Probably need to slow down a little bit because there's trees. This is probably the most technical and most fun, honestly, trail that I have. We just need to make it a big old loop. This is basically gonna be like an access road. So, yeah, me and Gunner are basically just gonna make so many daggone trails between here and our property. So, it's just gonna be an access road for like all these cool little trails. And we're making it big enough for a four-wheeler. And we may like make some single tracks. So, yeah, that'll be real fun. But we're just making it so a four-wheeler can go up it for, you know, maintenance. Oh. I don't know what it is right there. That's a stump. But right here is like the main problem right there. What I'm about to do is this right here. That's so sketchy. That is like really, really sketchy. Almost as sketchy as that one part that I just showed y'all. But that's like how you get down and up it. So if we could like find a better place to get down and up it, that would be so much better. That tree right there almost ate crap last time I videoed, I think. Last time I videoed over here, I almost ate crap on that tree. Woo! This is a really hard hill climb when it's wet. Full bend, baby! Full pin in third gear. I could have made it in fourth, but I just really didn't want to scrape my bike like that. That is a third gear here. Hill. What? A third gear hill right there. Look, there's a deer. There's two deers. There's two deers. There's two deer. Where'd they go? There they are right there. That's pretty cool. 2 deer. That's pretty cool, guys. What are the chances that I had a trail that goes right there too? Favorite hill climb right here. Woo! Full throttle, boys! Full throttle, third or fourth gear. Oh my gosh, I love this hill climb right here. It's just so easy, but it's so fun. Oh, there's a line on me. Get that off. Oh, I love this thing. Time to go fast. Golly, dude, that thing is so fun. That thing is so stinking fun. That real quick. Okie go like 3 times that speed. But I also used to not go as fast as I do on this one right here. I'd rather go fast on this one than go fast on that one right there. I want to show you guys what it's like hitting this thing in 3rd gear. So we're in 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So fast. That's 3rd gear right there. But like 4th gear is the spot to hit it. 4th gear is the spot. Do a little wheelie. Do a little wheelie one time. Little wheelie action going on. Alright boys, thank you for watching. This has been Jackson Cox 556 riding my new dirt bike. Or it's not my new dirt bike, but like riding the dirt bike with the new plastics on it. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.